Get the kind of time they go to call you as comedian, you can't regret why you blow. They call they say like son no, for your doing middle class. I for that perform since. Nigeria we don't fold up. Oh, but the way Nigeria day now, you don't reach Nedu go invite Tinubu for podcast. May you explain two things. And you know say Nedu know they contribute. You know now. Once you throw that now you go to confess. It's Buhari that spoils this country. And politicians don't ever take blame. And I trust Nedu, anybody where they accuse, him go invite them. As they accuse Buhari, Nedu go invite them. Before they interview 5 people, go know who spoiled this country. This is our country. Nigeria, where Christian and Muslim, they fast. Nigeria still is slow. I know the first person, no joke, no be me collect your money. Nah, wait till be name. Also, you get the way you go suffer, you got to appreciate poverty. One idiot, if you see better traffic where you see for Lagos, now you say, thank God, I don't get motor. Baba, thank God, say no get motor. Now every 2 seconds, very dark man go record video. For the end, he go say, you're gone, learn. Now, here would they win learn now? They follow government fight. Oh, the highest you can do with government, quarrel, then come out. You know they see Jinome like, Tinubu na scam. If they form who won't die, Shetima can they tell Northerners, vote us, who go soon die. Northerners vote. After they swear them in, Tinubu where? Shetima can they feel like who they dupe. No be small verse, Shetima the verse for Tinubu to run. Tinubu run on street. Come traffic there this Asaba. I say una no get traffic or una no get car. People know there be because Lagos like this show, oh, I get good road. Link roads. Come, who they craze for you exactly? Now this brain when I use on a normal day, I've been adjust today. Come, casino, this show where you do na bazaar. Nothing they no sell inside this hall. Inside comedy show, they do dorime. If I bring stripper now, 2 stripper go there, they do that. I like stripper. I don't beside they carry, I they like them. I go America and my guy carry me go strippers club. True life experience, so now he give me $100 bundle. As the stripper just come, that song never start. I don't spray. Now I come collect another one. The guy say, "Where the first one I give you?" I say, "You don't finish." He say, "You be fool." Not be so that they spray. They are per song. When stripper come, you go spray per song. I say, for the song I do for you know, say Nigeria, once stripper come your front, and you hold bundle. If you see a bastard Nigerian man, as one they rob in your friend, they say, press the nickel. In the already there, hold on. Don't be so for America, no go, make arrest you. Now, per song. As the guy suggest them, now me can request. I say, give me another bundle. As he give me something, just say, man, go for that. Now, as the guy, I feel request my own song. Now the guy say, yes. Now I request Fela. You know, say Fela song, only the intro now 4 days. Stripper dey my front, the thing they play KG 20 minutes GKK 25 minutes GKK and fella you know say get where you go sing reach you come be like say don't sing finish now fella shout oh as you want hear and now hear Nigeria is a crazy country. Now why they verse for Igbo? Person won't run, you ask some proof for fund. You get fund, now you won't run. Give am visa when you make, I go prove am. Igbo they crazy now. They came to Africa when we were not ready. 1800, 1809, they came to carry our forefathers when we were not ready. Now that we are ready. I want to enter America, I can't ask me stupid questions. Excuse me. Why are you here to do in the US? You wake up carry somebody forefather. I don't know say Peking go find out. Who kill you? I don't tire for this work. You see this comedy. Where I go die they talk. I told my first joke ever in 2002. How many years now? 22 years now. Don't they crack joke. If you say they work for one company, I will be director now. 22 years, how they do comedy. So me not really stress. And by the way, as I dey currently, And I did okay. Because Kanayo just give me a number yesterday. He say, ma, call him tomorrow. So as I did now, bro, I'm fine. If you be my friend now, they avoid me. Once they say, ma, bring 2 people, I just look your head no get head. You are gone. But he say, ma, call him tomorrow. So as I did okay. So if I like, more I like comedy. If I like, what you concern me? Because as I even there, they watch who know they laugh. He just say, man, bring who I love go love you. You die that day. This is where Jesus, come Jesus get luck. This is where Pastor just shout, Jesus is alive, Jesus is alive. May avoid me because I'm go sell on this time. The way one need money now. Judas look a whole Jesus, sell on only tarts. You know be Jesus. If you want to sell something, sell on well. Who told me? Jesus, now you say for now, and you know what it pain me pass. If you read Bible well, no be saying that those people they look for Jesus. No. Now Judas go meet them. Say, I know where Jesus did. How much will I get? Jesus, now the price. Now, first of all, one of the things where they resonate with me, why do they need somebody to betray Jesus? Is it that those people don't know Jesus by themselves? Because somebody need to identify him. I can't think Bible records say Jesus na humble man. He get 12 disciples. The only way where they feel they find him, they say either him and the disciples they dress alike, they get the same hairstyle, they look the same. So confusion day. Now they call Judas. So if we find you something, you go show us. Judas say yes. They say hi, one drum. He say very simple. Once when I give me money, when I come down and I go come out. I'm not the Jesus. The Jesus is behind me. I trap him. You don't know what I be. I trap him. Oh, now fish won't be that. Now he just come now. Baba is here, and the last shall be the first. They can't show by this time. Try not to their own. See? Not to the God. Oh, you are making me emotional right now. I don't like it. You know what? Take this thing. Fuck it. A whole golden boy. What's 200,000? This is the way they won't move. People like say this show no favor you like that. Oh no now. Oh God. Come. Who na use? Wanna kill him again? No, they're very useless. Kill the bastard. You know, so this country now the first country was where police arrest ambulance. Ambulance they go, police say follow one way. I say, hey, now emergency. You say nobody above the law, make clear way. Do you know, during COVID, when I remember COVID now, Buhari put curfew now. Same way they come out by, curfew starts by 12 midnight, then finishes by 5. So for Nigeria, while COVID, they resume for 5 hours, it go close. I go do show for a hotel. One bastard policeman, 11:42, I can't forget. Now he clear me well. You know, ask me any paper, nothing. As I clear well, now he say you're under arrest. I say for what? He say for curfew. I say no, but curfew is 12 o'clock. He say my brother, you're under arrest. I say for what? He say curfew. I say look at me, it's 11:42. Curfew is 12 o'clock. Now the officer say very good. Where we dey now? I say we dey toll gate. Where you dey go? I say they go Aja. You self calculate them. Before you reach there, 12 no go now. Ma just arrest you here at the same price. And do you know that right now, we even try. Let me small to we be survivors for this country. Everybody in this country is a survivor. First of all, as I did now, don't come on hand for love. Small girl who open restaurant business for customer don't marry her. I know customer is always Baba chop the food, chop who they sell her. Now, I mean, you wait pay me now. The way the pastor they advised me, he give it and he take it. She died. Things are very ironical in this country. Who they sell perfume for me? Get small body odor. As I say, you know they use them. He say body different. And they use them, but you know they... I don't dey Lagos traffic one day. One small pikin come meet me. I know say Lagos hustling. I don't know. When I don't get traffic here now. That's why casino fit put the show. Which time you been put the show? Time. 7 people don't come. When they take come? 9, 2 hours. They try. Lagos, if you want me to come by that 9, you tell them say the show now yesterday. So that by today everybody don't leave traffic. Because here, when I feel they obey traffic, Lagos traffic no take to drive for Lagos now war. First of all, as you did the traffic, you doubt a lot. Anything will make you untrafficate or say you want to switch lane, you go sleep there. So to switch your lane, you have to surprise the other driver. Because you cannot show your enemy your next move. You go to do like say your mind no dey there, you go to go. As the guy come out, say now God go punish you. I did traffic, one small boy just call 9 up. Uncle, I want say granite. I say I no want, the boy go. You don't even go for 3 minutes, now you come back. Uncle, I take God beg you, buy granite. I say I no want granite, the boy go. After 5 minutes, now you come. Uncle, if I no sell, then go beat me, help me buy granite. I say, who go beat you? He say, my mama, now boy, you may beat you now. The boy go. As the boy they come, I already tired. Before I go quarrel, I can see banana for him back. So something just tell me, say, just buy him. At least use banana and granite. As the boy won't bring granite, now say, help me cut the banana. He no, sir, I go still buy granite. Now I say, Uncle, she they beg you since may buy granite. They do like say, you know one buy. Now they say, my help you cut banana. Banana, monkey they call you. And you know Nigeria were very desperate. That's why I like Oyibo people. See the way Oyibo they do their things is. Not be so Oyibo too really pass us. They just get organization. So sometimes if you don't get money, if you get credit score, if you buy something, it reflects for every part of their life. Even when they did church. You don't hear Oyibo worship song, no pressure. They go to beg God. They just want to be where God did. You go to hear sweet, sweet worship songs. I just want to be where you are. Now they tell God now. Drawing daily in your presence. I don't want to worship from afar. Draw me near to where you are. Before we come church with the blackmail God, there is something that makes me, because if nothing there, we go their house. All our songs are taxing. You promise that you will carry my load. And I give you. All the songs now war. We do beg. No gospel song for Nigeria now. When we small. Now, gospel song fit try day. And this boy singer now. Wait till this one. Ebuka. No, that one never they sing gospel. That one they ask question. Who is calling my name? Oh, now me go call you. And they talk of gospel. The boy will sing gospel. Hey, that guy will sing. He has done so much for me. I cannot tell it all. Everybody say. See Frank Edward too, they try. Frank Edward sing one, very nice one. Lord, you reign, ever you're the same. I got my Turugi mama, the church will say. Do you know that when we were young, there was no gospel song? Every song, na question and answer. Who they are going to ask us question? Here we go to reply like so with the class. Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? After this one, they'll ask another question. What shall we do today? After this one, they go try another question. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? There is no one greater than Jehovah. Brother, are you a winner? Then they'll come sing one song, come pretend like say they don't want to ask you question. I lie you, the question they come, you go ahead and since I was born, and now I am getting old. Question, listen brother, have you seen it?
He said waist trainer. See, I get advertise waist trainer. Ask about me. We don't die. The other one they say slimming tea. Waiting be this one like this. I say na big belly, should be waiting be this one. Oh boy, heat reach here, bro. The guy heat in this country now, heat won't kill introvert. Oh. I don't like crowds. Don't they ask us where it happen? They won't come outside. Heat too much, Baba. How much be fuel Asaba here now? How much be fuel, my chairman? Man, every week car. Chairman, how much be fuel? 1 liter. 690. See fuel price. When last you see convoy? When I won't come show now, your guys will reform. I don't feel like driving. Baba, no fuel. For Lagos, all those lucky boys, when they use convoy, they kill us. See where then they ask Gogo, how long can my reserve tank take me? Fuel cost, Baba. All these girls, any boy where go in house, in on gem for you to charge phone. Or on gem for you, make breeze blow you. Make sure say you blow that guy. If breeze blow you for a house, blow him. Get why? All these big men, they man. No, this is the most trying times ever in history. Where both big men and poor people, they feel them. So you see all these big men when they buy tables, supposed to they clap for them, easy. I bet wanna clap for this man. You get why I'm talking? Because poor, if you broke, if your guy asks you for 10K, you tell him say you don't get. Normally, you don't say you need to get. Normally. But you see all these big men, now they know fit tell you say they no get. So they go rather avoid you. I do show last week, one of my chairman, I always buy table. I dey in house to give and table. I dey see the man for near GP tank. He dey hide, they take it, man. Tell him I'm not around, tell him I'm not around. He just dey hide, Baba. I know say all these men, if you want to do show, Baba to do show now hard though. If you want to do show now to follow up all these men, you got to they chat them, they follow them up. Anything them post, you write nice one. And post on Tuesday, Baba, yes, so that's why they follow my chairman up. One of him posts, WhatsApp never load down, the thing still they load. Now write LOL, my chairman, nice one. Don't say my mama will die. When the thing loads me, she blocked me. Bro, it's crazy, man. Big man, no. Big man life sweet too. No. Ask big man the kind of car they drive. They reply you with pleasure. Because they don't get anything to lose. See, this is my chairman now, we wear glass. That's what kind of car do you drive? You hear a Rolls Royce Phantom, 2022 model. A big boy. Ask DGN Construction, what kind of car do you drive? You hear a Macy's Maybach, 2024 model. A big boy. Ask poor man this same question. Which poor man are you now? Ask this cameraman. No, be poor man, I'm my guy. You know, go say Ayabi now. Customers are always right. For Ayabi now, you say, I offer for my 2 million. This boy they use me. Ask poor man this same question. Papa Emeka, which kind of car you dey drive? Here complain. My brother, all these flashy cars they see, they know they last. Side mirror no good, bumper no strong. Which one you dey drive? Everything just hard, Baba. You know that this period, Nana, you go just come back house. Almost everything they finish at once. Milk and Milo, bros, you know. Milk and Milo go just finish once. You go bring out soup, microwave before you know, Gary no day. You go say, okay, make you leave food, make you watch TV. DSTV don't expire. At once. And you know say gas get spirit. You know say any day where you want cook, you can't dey hear your gas. So boy, this gas don't last. You know say na that day they finish. If them born you try say one boy beans, you go strand. That your neighbor where they say I don't talk to him. The way you go take carry pot for front of him. So we have you use your gas just finish. How this big man now this period where we say children need to sleep for where heat day. It's crazy because on the on gen every time some of ourselves house gen, office gen, on our wife's store. Some of ourselves the power church. The church where I go last week and our pastor no give me the on gen until church full. So maybe they need to carry and play for this church until this church full. Make nobody on gen, make everybody use touch. See we have big men they try make pikin sleep. Big man, see this chairman now, they are very respected man. You see where they try to make him begin sleep, you go shock go. You see where this full man now, we are singing they do tutu bobo, bobo tutu, bobo tutu, baby choo choo. Just to make begin sleep, oh. I don't know why I get dispatch riders for here. And I get dispatch rider they Asaba. Oh, they're not there. They are waiting. Someone is waiting. They are crazy. No, they don't get crazy. But then I girls fine for this Asaba. Wow. Omogene. He said, wait, you talk my ear, you know. Ma, come on, This HK boy, where they on gen. Today, we they carry you come outside. You won't embarrass your guy. You say, who they talk, stand up, who they... Baba, I'm sure you just carry all your boys, come outside, who go on for house? Now waiting, cultists. With the condition of this country, and they make you laugh. It isn't only this worker gets. Now cultists, bring 2 bottles to the backstage. Let's see the craze. Now cultists. What do you don't cut since for East? I said, if you like life, I don't clap. I pay gate fee. You see any wristband, man? Now you are come to help. Rubbish. I guess there is Asaba. My guy, Asaba, advice I told him about Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt boys, they like burial. If you know any Port Harcourt boy, once burial, they don't wear their white kitty, but tie rapper, whether they know who die or not. Especially those ones with the cherubim, they can't carry their trumpet. Why if you say even for burial boys, they like child girl. They no one know, but you see we have 2 boys, they focus. So boy, this girl way fine and she they cry like this. If this girl smile, she go find pass like this. Oh, these bad Nigerian boys we go use 100 naira, they play to win 1 million. It's not your papa business, go allow enter. I leave you guys with this, man. We don't come. My papa just see my mother just pressure me, say, "Man, go marry." Say, all my friends don't marry. M.O.P, casino, Yanni. Yes, so Yannis, that sent. No, I won't call Yannis, come be like say never marry. When I wow, this stranded. Even Yannis don't face me marry. So I carry the girl I want marry, enter fast food, bro. You know, say fast food now like this, light the day everywhere. The girl come the form, come they eat eba, come they move the eba small. I say, baby, eat well now. She say, no, I have small esophagus. As she dey swallow and my nepa come take light, everywhere come dark. She come rush, come mood one big one, wey be like your head, bros. Big one. As she won't swallow and then bring light, and she say, baby. I say, he say, honey, this one is for you. I say, you must swallow.
Hold on. Baba, you told I come be like little groom where you did.
On a good evening, no. I been on a clap for casino. They call me expectation high.
That's where they help you all this money.
People they do like comedy club, no they stay like this life now.
I know they pay you.
Casino in the man now, BD comedy club. Father of the day, I greet you. They tell you say that comedy club, you can't prepare like father of the group. You dey misbehave, bro. Guy, about they don't come here, narrate Nollywood. These people come, casino don't talk about dressing. We joke on they like. Where they never talk about. You know, say Tinubu fall, we they laugh am. Next month they go release budget where they use cash out. Now ain't gonna laugh us. This Nigeria where they if I crack them, I know that they don't sign LGBTQ. Tomorrow I do nyash. Tell me that people who get nyash, they do well for Lagos. But if you see me for nyash, you go like me. As I start to do nyash, very dark man. You don't learn. This one, man. That very dark man, Anashimushi, so you cannot be 1 million for 5 months. As much as they thief, but I look you. My neighbor thief my bulu. Use and go do TikTok. The pain, the suffer. God. Now that thing they pay me. How you go thief polo when up your own? Use and go do TikTok. Come post them. Polo don't cost. And this Sonic, when I don't say that upstairs, one guy don't hide, go buy cloth for this boutique. This is the house today. He enter boutique, go they test cloth for them. You don't know say that boutique be in a 400K now. They beat out for them. Drink with caution. I just come back from Port Harcourt yesterday. I follow my guy go to Nigerian. Guy. My guy give girl belle. Come out and the girl no grill. They swear to God, now maybe I witness. Trust. My guy don't trust me. We will not get trust. We reach court. Lawyer give me a Bible, they say swear. I say I, and Monica swear that anything I say shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but truth. So help me God. And that's where finish. Now lawyer tell me say, witness, I put it to you. I say, no, we put that on my card. See, I know they stand with anybody again. If even Mobile will stand with the killer. In Papa now they do interview, they work everywhere. If you see Mobile Papa for TikTok, give me lion, give me lion, give me lion. I said, my lion will investigate your people. Don't trust anybody. Oh. Who don't die, yo. If they want to kill you, run, oh. My sister, if the man have a woman, man know who the video me. And your mate is a prison, oh. Now, anything where they do now, find another work, join them, oh. See African best comedian, the stalker. You don't get the stalker trouble. Small, don't they get 2 balls, 3 balls, before I don't leave this work for us, but they perform for a customer. Casino now don't leave Benin, can't open small comedy club. I don't say the shareholder for this or this. Because who bring it? LGBT never even strong, you don't play here. Man, waiting the hungry Nigeria, man of us like it. Now just the same with the last time. God. So more time if everybody don't play here. What did happen? See me now. God, anything where they do for this life, don't they successful. One guy, as I started the crack joke before, one guy said, any show you want to go, I will style you. See me. Waiting for this. God. And why is your grandmother, you say, you look so cute, na lie. I feel like they TikTok. God, things don't rough, and they owe my landlord, they owe back bill. Everybody they owe, even Davido, OBO. They owe us rent. Sophia won't keep Davido. Since Davido married, never rest. He put her for here, they drag her. They put her for here, they drag her. Israel won't put mat. They bring Israel come, where did they beg? All of us here they beg. You never know. Every man is a beggar. If for one day I get better for you, please now, let's go. Please, everybody is a beggar. Now we never know. And let me advise everybody, you know say house party won't keep people for this Lagos. Any house party made up past BTC and court to join. They invite me for one house party. One girl tell me, say, it's fun, no? I say, where? He say, Badore. And as a man, once girl don't invite you, you don't go tell your guys, so you tell, girls, they? Say, girls, they show me picture. I don't tell my guys. I go Badore. 11 p.m. in the night. They say, now all night. I reach there, again, don't start. Lemon 1, lemon 2. Now that thing will give me for this Lagos. Lemon 1, lemon 2. I say lemon 2. They say remove 5 things from your body. The wrongest mistake when I make. 14 girls, 3 boys. I said I make offend this boys 4. I don't say that the thief they be that. As I remove all the 5 things from my body, they carry all my clothes. And they there, they break. They don't go. I don't even know. I deal with the only forces for house party. Before I know, housekeeper don't tell me, say, sir, this apartment has expired. I know say that bad door there, traffic where they dey there in the morning. How I want to come outside. After they come outside, people where they carry one people carry me. And they tell the guys, I'm not mine. Say that sir, I'm there. So watch yourself very well. And yes, for this Lagos, that one sister, that one spokeswoman, cider bar, and be cider blow job. Now God will judge that girl. Talking stage 20 million. How much the casino? They stuck at A1. 3 some never reach you. You go say, forget when they stay share the apartment. No girl for this Lagos, they pay herself only her. And they crazy. See when I sponsor, they say that true. And you know they send money go to they see your life. All the guests, if you think they're alive, they know they allow you go inside though. As you reach outside, if you reach my gate, tell me I'll come outside. If you enter their house, you feel like guest hosting. About men, they sponsor for this Lagos. Any table where they are, where you see the table full. Nobody get the pay. Anonymous, they back. They don't tell them, say anything they want, just give them. Because this is this girl is successful. Now lie. No girl successful for years. And this Sonic, I come here, the girl will come meet me, no Kenya. How you going to do it and no Kenya? No be bottle water will go under for your hand. Any waiter will no Kenya, she go wait, tired. They going to ask you, go bring shisha, because you resemble smoke for their eyes. Bouncer, go wear suits. Do you know that bouncer is the only job where you say if you sack yourself by yourself? Let me tell you, do you know that as a bouncer, if you lose weight, you don't lose your job? You don't know? Imagine say that guy wait there outside, come next week, come there like me, come tell manager, say, I don't know what happened to me. Manager will ask you, apart from this work, what else can you do? You don't already know, say, now wait, I don't turn to. Now make some club, you go come see person, say, are you not the pastor last week? My sister, I'm already and I come up me for the work. Man, this Lagos, the kind of infection wey full Lagos, about one infection. Guy, you know say infection they bring two strangers together. Casino, you know? You go green, Lagos never green just say you get infection, no. But go WhatsApp, oh boy, have fun, I'll fit talk to you. Guy, anything wey you dey do, for every sport, you get one of your friends where they know what you take, you go take if you get infection. Don't be doctor. I don't know how they do it. As you just get after casino and doctor and as monthly, check your WhatsApp. Now women go what's pass. Women infection, first of all, you go first boil water, put your toto here. Before you come the inhale and get it clean. You do yash, you know the waste of investment. God. And as a man, get the kind of money where you go pay girls, you know where to go back for enter there. Cannot waste my money. Man, relationship for this Lagos, talking stage cause fast relationship. Can I get to know you? They tell me say your mother is sick, your father just do operation. You need a doctor, no be me. Even TB Joshua die, big problem. Now me you want to. Your papa know where your useless father. Now so one girl come my house, deep polo. I go there and do mama for the polo. She use and do TikTok. People come they say, accept my condolence. Accept my condolence. The girl, you said don't go plait hair. Waiting the hungry, you know they this place. Which criteria they use to employ this guy? You? Baba, my sister, I want to go. This one as I go to do, they don't go one by one. Then, casino, yeah, Baba, how far now? You see the whole ring. You see the whole ring. You say, I want to advertise your business. You go give me something. This guy go like widow, God. I go, now by yes I be the stone. Now by yes I go club. I carry one woman. I don't say that widow. Guy, widow they flex, huh? I don't use drink. I carry widow. We don't do something finish. The money stay customer. I want to invite you for something. Say they bury my husband next week. I said, so why you tell me? He said our customers get ashamed. Whether I go buy, waiting the one right for my cattle. Customers of the disease. MC will come announce, let's make welcome customers of the widower and we will come dance. Come. After as you man, when you make your husband go die, you start to do this. She say she won't clear her mind. After I be baba. God. For Esther. Things happen for Bayelsa. My time not the things. Now Bayelsa now we invite stripper. Stripper wey supposed come by 9, she come by 12. We say, madam, wetin happen? She say her children never sleep. I say, madam, you don born? She say na 3 children she get o. She carry one come o. Me wey wan slap me and dey say ma help her hold one pikin make she hustle. Yeah. Na so they give me pikin o. Tell you, Tarama. You dey you, Tarama. I don't know when I drop pikin. Pikin very emotional pikin. I wan slap me and the pikin dey cry. You want to beat my mother? I say I have to beat her to get paid o. If not, she don lose. About when they talk about Nollywood, I do this and I go. About when they talk about Nollywood, as you dey order, ask price o. As this light dey shine, na red o. The tribulation, the way they tell embarrass you, the way the customer dey ask you what do you need, maybe that person go embarrass you. Na another person go just come. This Lagos, before I talk down Nollywood joke, casino, girls for this Lagos, they very creative. If you carry girl, ask am, you go follow me reach house. They go eat everything finish. Time don reach, they go follow you. Now when they reach your junction, they go tell their friend, call me by 1 o'clock. As their friend call them, they will change their friend name to Sweet Mother. As you reach your junction, her friend go just call her. Now see, you call the tell you say, wait to make my mother they call me by this time. I know your mother. Now you go call the tell her say, pick now, do you know what is wrong? You come put her, but mommy, can you hear them? See, tell me about it, I'll sleep with you and your mother inside that room. Una dey mad. Nollywood don come to an end. I don't know wetin dey act again. They don comot for the normal Nollywood now. Everybody na TV. Temisa TV, Leo TV, Mesieke TV, Big Brother TV everywhere. And they don't get showroom. Now Nollywood na music dey cure madness. I don't know how. Father of the day, now there they wait for. For Nollywood, one few when I watch, Tony Menz they marry. He go village, they knock a madness. He don't match for 4 years. They come see your wife for somewhere. They told her, we see your husband for Lekki Festival, or your husband the man. The woman enter boat, reach Lekki Festival, she see your husband. Now I look at. Love mo, Echeto biatoba, Echeto webido. Love mo, man we don mad for 4 years. How you take know the song? I don't know. As you turn, you look your wife, sweetie mo, onimo, kai biri no tu, bibi onanya, onyeke wanayo, onyeke wanayo. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. My name is MC Monica.
DJ, bring it, no time. Asaba, wetin dey play? You can come on my glass, man, see you now. I see us all of them fresh like seafood. Oh, Bob. I don't like the way I not clap for me. Now because of when I wear this white jeans. I know they carry wear white jeans. Either I wear black or blue. But I wear this white jeans and I'm supposed to know say I'm very intentional in this Asaba. It's my first time in Asaba to perform comedy. FX. Wow. Now, wow. I thought I really call your cause. It's my first time in Asaba to perform comedy. Wow. Thank you for clapping. You will not suffer with pain. But many years ago, I don't come here to perform other things. So, if you know, you know. That Orchid Hotel still exists. Orchid Hotel, they exist. Now be smart in my see for that hotel. One useless boy when a friend, one Asaba boy. Oh! Action, they talk, say, with a form, with a love, momu love. Love when I love. Boy, why go catch the shit? Now me go beg her.
noodles for a phone. Nude, breast. He said, na breast cancer patient when they pray for. Are you a pastor? Are you liquid metal? I dey school for Benin, I go call here for night, come meet man. Give her all my school fees. It's not in my eyes, see. Thank God, say God, use the case you could take console me. Because if I not marry well before, it will pay me. But nothing sweet reach where your ex not make her. The idiot never see make her till now. They are he can never make it. The day when I say I go break up with her, and that day when he carry me go club, we there for club with the dance. Now I say I go peace. Wow. He can never. My ex can never stay table. Now wow. My ex not stay table. You know people afford regular right now. No tell it. I need to swear for her. Carry me reach the club finish. I say make I go peace. I come back, they collect one girl number. Now I tell and say, you are disrespecting me. I just say make I go peace. Why they collect girl number? He says it's not what you think. I don't need to think. I'm waiting. I see. Now first I say let's go. Because say sorry, I don't answer her. We enter motor with the drive, they go. He says sorry, I don't answer her. Normally, to know whether that man's serious, he must tell you sorry reach 3 times now. Nothing. I say stop this car, I'm done. You know say the idiot park. I say back off, first catch me. I say no, I be old worry. Now come on, sit better. Come down. You know say the idiot drive go. As I stand for there, I look my right, nobody. I look left, only one. I shower at the end of the street. Go one killer. Now the guy could drive, he come back. As the idiot they drive, I say, hey, no, he leave me now. As he drive, come back, wind down. Now he say, take you, forget your purse. Now he drive, turn, go carry the Ashawo, go. Use Ashawo, replace me. Now I break up with her. But thank God, say last, I'm married well. To marry Igbo man? If you're not married to an Igbo man, you are not married. I'm sorry. I'm not friend Igbo man before, the one when I friend I'm married. Igbo kwenu? Una too much. I've been married for 11 years. I don't get one issue to say I won't leave marriage. If you dare here, you marry Igbo man, and you don't get problem, you don't get it cold. Make I explain that for you. Want my glass for me? Igbo man, they're very cheap. They need only 2 things. 2 things. And I want to know, respect and fuck. That is a good place to clap. Igbo man need only 2 things. Respect and not the follow they argue. Shut up your mouth. Listen to them. The way people they talk, a man is the head, you are the neck. Yes. Respect them. They fuck am. Igbo man, I like fuck pass for this country. You know say the day when he gets to go papa die, he fuck. Error. We there so during pandemic, now they call from big village say if papa don't die, he can call the crowd, they console him. Give her food in our shop. Night call rich, we say make we sleep. I call Olam, you know that kind of normal Olim. The next thing, so they shook me. I said, what did they shook me? I don't want first pay attention to them because I don't believe the person will die. What fuck? The next thing carry up for my breast. I say, wow. I say, okay, don't touch breast now. That breast, eh? They swear. You understand, Abi? Your G-spot. Breast. Wow. Who be the Wale where they call to Wale since? At this table. Where you lodge? Now I say, okay, make I just give her. As I give her finish, they do. The time when Ikechukwu won't just come, now Papa goes appear. Say, oh, SMH! My useless song. Igbo man, too sweet. My next life, I go marry Igbo man again. No, I know the joke. Because if you say I'm not happy for marriage, I go funny. I'm not funny now. My colleague, they talk just now, say, country ad like brokosu. Shout out to Inda Boski, the liquid metal. We use, what do you use? Shaker. A bit of shaker, bring dollar, go down small. Our savings account, now they save us again. The country is turning on its own. Bobrisky win best dressed female. Portable the shout, brotherhood. All wood na wood though. You see brotherhood go sisterhood, you know what I see for them. When I tell no say you don't quote there for this country, and when my head pa go borrow money for Pampe. I just did my own, I received text. A chronic debtor named Chief Krobanos is on the run. He dropped your name, address, and number. If he does not pay, we know you are innocent. We don't want to tarnish your image. We will disgrace you online. I said, my own destiny helper, chronic debtor. Now once I call him, I say, Chief, something funny just happened. They are using your Pampe. You need to sue them. Then they use your name till they want due people. And they talk to her, now they answer, and all they breathe at the ear. I said, sir, you listening to me? He said, it is swear. Now they are telling no say it all read. Now once I go learn how to all rain. Yes, now you need to learn another trade. Which day, yes, if social media glitch. They say social media want off, and I need to go carry my result to go define work. I learn how to all rain, not be 2.5 I pay. With egg, it serve juju. Now, rainy season. If you want to do any event, rainy season, not fair. I'll cash out. Don't worry yourself. My joke don't finish. Now this photographer, they just say he hide all rotting. If he die, he hide rotting. I hate photographers. If you now realize, when I do my anniversary, my 10 years dream wedding, I not post video, I post only picture. I know the reason why. Because photographers like this. Videographer. My marriage beginning to end, that first wedding, that one where we say we rent cake. We rent cake, she go wear cut of hams. This kind marriage with that one. We can't money where they spray us 9-2. Dance on that song. Marriage starts till finish. Nobody realize. Cameraman forget to press